Hi, I'm Alice and this is my Frugal Wonderland, and today I'm going to be unboxing this package that I had just received. It's actually the embellishment boxes from the Spring Floral Embellishment Box Swap that was hosted by the Vagabondcrafter here on YouTube. I'll have her page linked down below, as well as the video that I made of my entry for this swap. If you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Alright, so here are the 3 boxes that I received, as well as a card. Thanks. It says, "Can't thank you enough for joining me in this spring embellishment box swap. I'm grateful for all the time and effort you've put into their creations, Nicole." Thank you, Nicole. Let's start with this one right in front of me. Oh, turtle. Little pink turtle. My daughter loves turtles. I'll probably save that little sticker for her. So we have "Happiness Blooms from Within," and these paper flowers. Oh no, it kind of ripped. I can glue that back together, but that's okay. Alrighty. So let me go ahead and open this up here. Oh, I see some sprinkles down below. Alrighty, so we're supposed to include like an information card. Let me just make sure there's nothing personal in here. We have, "Hi, my name is Tina. My birthday is December 3rd. This is my first swap." Mine too. And she's a Texas girl living in Virginia, in a Virginia world for now. Alrighty, well, thank you, Tina. Let's see what she put in here. So over here we had some wood little pieces. Oh, cute. Yay, butterflies. I love me a good butterfly, so I'm happy with that. Then we have, oh, unicorn ribbon. Some unicorn embroidery ribbon. And then in here, what do we have? Oh, it's hard to get out. Ooh, some trim. Some lace trim. And then we have some clips. And we have a little clip. Let's see. Oh, and they're like little leaf cutouts, I think. Yeah. And they're like in burlap. Very cute. Those little smiley faces. Ooh, these are so cute. And what else is in here? More butterflies. Okay, I'm happy with that. They're little stickers. Love that. And then there's more little smiley face sequins down there. Then over here we have some buttons, butterflies, and very cute, a little tiny cupcake. Oh, yay! Love this. Look at this little button. Little Minnie Mouse button. Love that. Little heels. Donut. Cute. Love it. Then we have a little flower button. Little paper flower. A little bee. Cute. Then in here we have these little brads. And a little glass thing filled with little gemmies. Cute. Oh, and a string of beads. I think these are glass beads. And some washi tape samples, I think. Or yeah, a washi tape sample here. And lastly, we have a bunch of flat backs. Very cute. So cute. Happy with those. Oh my god, these are just so cute. Love it. Alrighty. Love that. Next, I'll open this one. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here too. Very cute. So a little information card. All right, and this is from Janice. It's her first swap too, like me. And she loves green. I do too. And she just started doing crafts. Her birthday's August 3rd. Very cute. Thank you. Love it. So in here we have a bunch of, let's see what's in here. We have some flowers, a little star, some paper clips. Very cute. And here's the little case. Okay. Ooh. We have, ooh, little tiny flat back. This is so cute. It is so tiny. Love these. These are so cute. And I see a butterfly. Or, no, was that a butterfly? Just kidding. I thought I saw a butterfly. I could be wrong. Looks like a bunch of little flowers, actually. Oh, yay! I love me a good paper bow. Very cute. Love that. And then these paper flowers. Oh, I love these. Little paper flowers. Little bead clip. That's cute. Oh my god, look at these little tiny lollipops. Those are really cute. Then we have some flower flatbacks. And then I think there's some charms in here. Let me see if I can get one out. Yeah, we got a little charm. Yeah, there's a couple more in there too. Very cute. There's a bunch in there. Love that. Okay, what else do we have? We have buttons, more paper clips, and more buttons. Then what do we have in here? Ooh, these are cute. They're like little sequence flowers. Very cute. And some bumblebee stickers. Oh, my daughter loves bumblebees. These bumblebees are so cute. She's probably going to take these from me. I can give her a couple. Just a couple. And then, let's see. Some more paper flowers. That is a lot of paper flowers. Love it. Then what do we have here? Some butterfly stickers and some flower stickers. And we have a few more of these little embroidered flowers. I think that used to be like a ribbon or something. And then we have a little jar of sequins. Very cute little floral sequins. And what do we have in here? Bunch of little tiny beads. Teeny tiny beads. I think these could be used as like bead caps actually. Very cute. And then a bunch of paper flowers. And then let's see what's under here. Ooh, some brads are under there. Let's see. Cute. And then a bunch of beads here. And then some of these clips. These little sewing clips. Nice. Alrighty, on to the next. Next we have very cute. Look at this little shovel. Okay, let me see if there's any personal information on here. Okay, this is from Joanne. Her birthday is April 10th. She loves to make cutesy things in boxes and bags. And this is her first swap as well. Yay for first swaps. Mine too. She made a little shaker. Cute. Love that. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, first thing I saw, these sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Sunflowers are my favorite flowers, so I am happy with that. And we have butterflies. Another little shovel, cute. A little watering button hanging there. Oh, that's cute. Some paper flowers. And what do we have in here? Little brads. Then looks like we have some beads in here and some charms. Yeah, a bunch of beads in here. Oh, it looks like we have some some eye pins in there as well. Nice. Little sequins mix here. Then a little cupcake. That's cute. And a little strawberry. And then another little sequins mix. Or are those clay beads? I'm not sure. Then we have some cutouts, some floral cutouts. Alrighty. Ooh, tassels. These little tassels. And then some ribbon. And then here we have a little pin with some rope. Little butterfly button. Cute. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these little tiny birds. And some embroidered or like crocheted flowers. And in here we have a bunch of these clear beads. Little wood. These feel like little felt flowers. More of these little bling flowers. Some more of that rope in a different color. Some flowers. These little ribbon flowers. Cute. And lastly, we have this ribbon sample with little floral on it. Very nice. That was fun. I'm really happy I joined. I'm excited for any other ones that I might be doing. I loved doing this. It was my first swap. So I'm really happy with the things that I got. And I just want to say a quick thank you to the Vagabondcrafter here on YouTube for hosting this. And I'm excited to see if you do another one because I will for sure be joining that as well. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.